Weld joints and welding symbol. In this video, we will learn about weld joints and also welding symbols. Let's start with weld joints. Here you can see connection between metal number 1 and metal number 2. It is called as a parent metal or base metal. Welding is the process to connect two metals together as a permanent joint or permanent connection by welding with each other. So before applying the welding, the way metal 1 and metal 2 match each other usually form a weld joint. Welding symbol. Based on the weld joint, design engineer decide what type of welding does he need for that particular joint, and that representation of that design instruction is called as the welding symbol. Some basic terminology here first before going to the weld joints or welding symbol. First of all, and the most important thing is design engineer. Design engineer is also known as project engineer or welding engineer. He decides what type of welding does he need for that particular weld joint. That is why he put that notification with the welding symbol in the project specification or in the drawing. So it is totally his responsibility to decide weld joint and welding symbol. Who is known as fabricator or contractor. During the fabrication, contractor review the joint and also weld symbol, and based on that he decide and he implement that weld to the particular joint. In case he is deviating something from the drawing, he talks to engineer first before applying the weld to that particular joint. Fabricator or contractor cannot decide what type of welding is needed for that particular joint. He just need to follow total instruction given in the specification or in the blueprint. He also reviews drawing and inspection requirement based on the specification and schedule inspection associated with welding process. Who is welding inspector? Welding inspector review joint design and weld symbol given in the drawing and inspect the joint before, during and after the welding process. Welding inspector can be hired by design engineer, owner or third party who is responsible for complete quality of the welding. In case of any non-conformance, inspector quickly notify to contractor and also produce non-conformance report based on that welding inspection. Now let's review the weld joints. There are 5 types of weld joint, and remember 5J for the weld joint. First, lap joint. Second, T-joint. Third, corner joint. Fourth, edge joint. Fifth, butt joint. So during the welding process, connecting one metal with another metal, there are any of 5 joint can be possible, and based on that welding can be applied.